Unlock the full potential of your 3D sculpting with the 400 Ornaments Brushes Bundle, crafted for both ZBrush and Blender. Whether you're designing intricate armor, ornate furniture, decorative architectural elements, or fantasy props, this collection gives you the power to add stunning detail in seconds. No painstaking manual sculpting required. Inside, you'll find over 400 high-resolution ornament brushes, each created from handcrafted alphas to ensure sharp edges, perfect depth, and beautiful detailing. Every brush is tested for seamless performance in both ZBrush and Blender, so you can sculpt without breaking your creative flow. These brushes are versatile and easy to use. Simply drag, stamp, or drag-rect them onto your model, and watch as your flat surfaces transform into works of art. The set includes a wide variety of motifs, from elegant Baroque scrolls and floral designs to bold, symmetrical patterns perfect for medieval and fantasy styles. All alphas are provided in 16-bit PNG and PSD formats, giving you the freedom to adjust depth, intensity, and blending exactly how you want. Whether you're working on cinematic assets, collectibles, or game-ready props, the detail you can achieve is limited only by your imagination. This bundle isn't just a time saver, it's a creative toolkit that helps your projects stand out. No more searching for the right ornament or redrawing the same pattern. Everything you need is here, organized and ready to go. Upgrade your workflow. Add rich, ornamental detail faster than ever. Make your sculpts look like they were crafted by a master artisan, with a fraction of the effort. Get the 400 Ornaments Brushes Bundle today, and bring elegance, precision, and artistry into every project you create.